Hello friends, in the last lecture we have seen definition of vector space and some examples. Now we'll do some problem of vector space. So example number 1, examine whether the set of real numbers with operations of addition and scalar multiplication defined as x1 0 plus x2 0 equal to x1 plus x2 0 and scalar multiplication kx comma 0 equal to kx comma 0. So this is the operations, addition operation and scalar multiplication operations, and with these operations the given set of vectors form a vector space or not, we have to check. So let us verify one by one axioms. So let here your vector space, here your space is V R to R. So let us check. Let U equal to x1 0 comma V x1, sorry, V is x2 0 which is belong to V. So for U and V belong to R2, so this implies that U plus V equal to x1 0 plus x2 0, and this implies U plus V equal to x1 plus x2 component wise addition 0, and this equal to x1 plus x2 0. So which is element of V, that is R2. Okay, so we can say that therefore V is closed under the operation addition. Now second property or second axioms, commutative axioms. So we will determine the commutativity. U plus V equal to x1 comma 0 plus x2 comma 0, and this equal to x1 plus x2 0 plus 0 component wise addition. So this equal to x1 plus x2 0. So this can be written as x2 plus x1 0, and this can be written as x2 0 plus x1 0. So which is V plus U. So therefore U plus V equal to V plus U for all U V belong to R2. So commutative property holds. Now next one, associativity of vector space. So let us check associativity of this. Let U equal to x1 0, V equal to x2 0, and W equal to x3 0, which is the element of V, that is R2. So we will have therefore U plus V plus W. So U plus V x1 comma 0 plus x2 comma 0 and plus W x3 comma 0. So this can be written as x1 plus x2 0 plus 0 and plus x3 comma 0. So this is x1 plus x2 0 plus x3 0. So we will add this. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 and 0 plus 0, that is 0. So this can be written as x1 comma 0 plus x2 plus x3 0. So this can be written as x1 comma 0 plus, we write x2 0 plus x3 0. So but x1 comma 0 is u plus in bracket x2 comma 0 is v plus w. So therefore associative property holds under addition. So next axioms, VA4. So VA4 is existence of identity element. So there exists an identity element, an identity element 0 equal to 0 comma 0 such that u plus 0 equal to x1 comma 0 plus 0 vector 0 comma 0. So addition x1 plus 0 and 0 plus 0. So this gives x1 comma 0, which is what? U. Therefore u plus 0 equal to u. So this is true for all u belong to R2. Okay. Now our next axiom, VA5. So existence of additive inverse. For the existence of additive inverse, there exists an additive inverse minus u, which is minus x1 comma 0, such that u plus minus u equal to x1 comma 0 plus minus x1 comma 0. So this gives x1 minus x1 and 0 plus 0. So this implies that 0 comma 0, x1 minus x1, that is 0. Therefore u plus minus u equal to 0. So we can say that minus u is the additive inverse element of vector u. So which is true for all u belong to R2. Okay. SM1. For every scalar A belong to R and vector u equal to x1 comma 0, we will have AU and this equal to A x1 0 and this equal to AX1 0. So this is of the form of element V, so which belong to R2. So we can say that V is closed under scalar multiplication. So V is closed under scalar multiplication. SM2. Let A belong to R and B belong to R. Then A BU equal to A in bracket B x1 comma 0. This gives A bx1 and multiply this, we will get 0 this. So we will have A bx1 and 0. This gives A b x1 0. So we will have A b x1 comma 0 is u. So which is true for all u belong to R2. So therefore the scalar multiplication is associative. SM3. So we will have, let A belong to R and U equal to x1 comma 0 and V equal to x2 comma 0, which both belong to V, that is what, R2. Then A U plus V and equal to A in bracket U plus V. U is x1 0 plus x2 0. Simplify this. So we will multiply inside A x1 0 plus A x2 0 x2 0. So A, this is what, U and A, and this vector is a V. Therefore scalar multiplication is distributive with respect to vector addition. Now the next property, SM4. So let A comma B belong to R and U equal to x1 comma 0 belong to R2. Then A plus V U equal to, so A plus V, your U is x1 comma 0. So multiply this, A x1 comma 0 plus B x1 comma 0. Then this can be written as A U plus B U. So x1 comma 0 is U, so we will have A plus B U equal to AU plus B U for all U belong to R2. So scalar multiplication is distributive with respect to scalar addition. With respect to scalar addition. Now the next and last axioms, SM5. There exists an multiplicative identity one in field R such that 1 dot u equal to 1, u is x1 comma 0, so this gives x1 0, so which is u. Therefore 1 dot u equal to u, so which is true for all u belong to R2. So since v equal to R2 satisfies all the axioms of vector addition and scalar multiplication. Of a vector space. Therefore v equal to R2 forms a vector space. Therefore we can say that V is a vector space over R. This completes the problems. Thank you.